all your things when you're finally done. Call me up, sweet mama, we'll run. 'Cause oh, what a way to live a life, living in pain and fear as a wife. I said next time he hurts you, I'll know when. That time will be the last he ever hurt you. All your ways to make up our world. We all feel it too, we know you're hurt. I know some time will pass before you know what's real. I can't change the way you feel, but oh, what a way to live a life, living in pain and fear as a wife. I said next time he hurts you, I'll know when. That time will be the last he ever hurt you again. Much longer will you take? Don't drown in what's around you, let him go. Won't you find your new surrounded with the man who loves you so? The man I know will treat you like you're worth your weight in gold. 'Cause oh, what a way to spend a life, living in pain and fear as a wife. I said next time he hurts you, I'll know when. That time will be the last he ever hurt you again. He'll do it again, again and again. Well, when I woke up, she was looking at me. She told me I've been cheating on her in her dream. Lord, it wasn't a thing I could do or say to change her mind any way. She told me things was gonna change. If I wanted her, I couldn't stay the same. So I stopped going out on Friday nights. I stopped drinking with the boys. Yeah, everything she asked, I left in the past just to try to bring her joy. For the record, it can't be understated, all I've been domesticated. She told me top off her Jeep, the one I bought her when I sold my old GT. And I bumped in to my good friend, and he asked me where the hell had I been. So I told him what she told me. I didn't change, happy and she wanted out. Everything about the man she once loved is long gone, baby, and it's all because I stopped going out on Friday nights. I stopped drinking with the boys. Everything she asked, I left in the past just to try to bring her joy. For the record, it can't be understated, Lord, I've been domesticated. Lord, I've been domesticated. All I do is stay at home all damn day. Take me back to the old dirt road where Mama and Papa used to go. Let's sing all them songs from a long time ago and pine for them old days of yore. Well, let me run through the breeze like the leaves on the trees. Let me fly like the leaves when they fall. Well, let my mind go serene like a cool water stream that runs from the mountain so tall. Oh, take me back down the old dirt road. Take me home to rest where the mockingbirds nest and to cry through the green in the spring. Let's go back a ways to the old bygone days and the simple time we lived back when. Well, let the pull of the plow bring the sweat from my brow